that's what he said, basically.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Something just touched my face.
Yeah, where's the trap door at?
Is there anybody here that would like to hang out with us? We're all familiar friends. Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know. That was me. What?
So it sounded like something, like scratching or tapping.
No, that sounded like me.
I heard that.
I didn't hear it.
Yeah.
I thought it came from,
I thought it came from you.
I thought it came over here.
yeah, I heard it like that way. but-
Yeah, I heard it. I thought it was Megan.
And I'm the only person that didn't hear it.
Okay. Well, we'll see if we can hear that on the side, right?
You want to put spirit talker on the mouth?
Kid, do you know now?
Yeah.
What the fuck was that?
Yeah.
This is not a drill. Alright, we heard ya. Talking about going live and figuring out technology. You coming to help me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you do it one more time so we're sure it's you? What was that? Just turned off.
Go.
The camera just turned off. So,
Turned off, they told you to go.
You can turn something on your batteries.
did you turn the camera? Yeah, it was at 3 bars, 3 out of 5.
I'm making it cold.
I am cold.
Good job.
Now it's 4 bars. So. Hey, did you, one of you turn my camera off? Can you touch one of the devices to let me know?
People are scared of us.
We're not scared of you.
Yeah, we just want to talk to you. Maybe you have a story you can tell us?
You must help.
How can we help you?
1960s.
That's the second time. I was gonna say, yeah. We had 1960s earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Were you here in the 1960s?
Hey, we had 1960s in up there too. That's 3 times.
Oh,
Yes.
Hey.
Thank you. So you were here in the 1960s. What was your favorite band?
So, were you not here in the 1960s?
If that's you, can you grab the green light, please? Make all the lights go up again. That way we know you're here.
Arsehole.
Oh.
Deep.
It just said arsehole and then deep.
Arsehole?
I think I know what arsehole means.
Breaking wheel.
If that's you, can you
You are kind.
You are kind.
We got that.
We got that earlier
Yeah.
too.
I got breaking wheel.
If that's you, can you move away from that light? Thank you.
Yes, I'm listening.
Holy crap.
Thank you for listening. Can you let go again? Thank you.
Wow.
I'll throw something.
Okay.
Got that?
Okay.
ghosts roll their eyes.
You were authentic.
You are authentic.
Are you rolling your eyes at us?
Roman.
Roman.
Be fearful.
Be fearful.
Many deaths. Oh, Jesus. I thought something touched me. Something happened.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good. That just was weird.
Where did it touch you at?
My hand was in my pocket and it felt like something like hit my hand.
Oh.
Death.
Oh.
Oh, there goes some
Hello.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You just told me yes or no.
Fuck.
Fucking bat.
Fuck me. God damn it.
What?
There was a bat.
There's a bat? I didn't see it.
It was right in my face, so I couldn't miss it.
It touched my hat.
Oh, he's not gonna eat much.
Well, I don't want him stuck in my hair. I think I need to put my hat on.
She scares me.
Oh, shit.
Mine just said, you shouldn't be here.
Aw,
This is one time it's bad to be tall.
Sky puppy. A sky puppy?
They, yeah, sky puppies are cute. I like bats. Not in my face.
I just heard the bat.
I just did too.
Yeah, I just felt the breeze.
I was like, I heard the flapping.
Right there, ooh,
Call.
it's right behind Chrissy's head.
Oh, okay, I'm getting low. Low.
Is this bat your friend?
That's with apple bottom jeans on. Whoa, that was close. Did you see that on camera?
I saw it with my own eyes.
Yeah, Megan did.
Oh my god, yep, I got
yeah.
it on camera. It's going back.